Do you also think every day, "I'll change from tomorrow," but those same old habits don't let you live? Today, we're going to tell you about a story and a book that can transform your life in just 21 days. Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll talk about a book that speaks straight to the heart, Habit Busting by Pete Cohen. This isn't just another self-help book, it's a roadmap that shows you how to break bad habits and live a new, better life. But wait. This won't be a boring lecture. Today, we'll share a real-life story, Rohan's story, a boy who was weighed down by his habits, but the lessons from habit busting gave his life a new direction. Like Rohan, we all have habits that hold us back, whether it's waking up late, spending hours on the phone, or choosing junk food over healthy meals. So, let's dive into Rohan's story and learn how Pete Cohen's 10 steps changed his life, and how they can change yours too. Rohan was a 26-year-old guy from Delhi. He had a small IT job, a little savings, and big dreams. But his life was stuck. Every morning, he snoozed his alarm, got late for work, and spent evenings scrolling through Netflix or Instagram for hours. Going to the gym? That was just a dream. Healthy eating? Pizza and burgers were his best friends. Rohan was frustrated with himself. He knew his habits were holding him back. One day, his friend Vikram met him and said, "Bro, are you just going to give up on your dreams like this? Read Habit Busting by Pete Cohen. It changed my life." Rohan thought, let's give it a try. Pete Cohen says, if you keep doing what you've always done, you'll keep getting what you've always got. When Rohan read this, it felt like someone was speaking directly to his heart. That if you're enjoying this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you truly want to take your life from zero to hero, the link to buy Habit Busting is in the description, with a 10% cashback offer. Now, let's get back to our story. Pete Cohen's first lesson is, big changes don't happen in a day. Take small, consistent steps. Rohan thought, going to the gym feels tough, so why not start with a 10-minute walk? He began walking for 10 minutes every morning. A week later, he was walking for 20 minutes. A month later, he was doing light workouts at the gym. Pete says, instead of focusing on your weaknesses, use your strengths. Rohan remembered he loved cooking. He ditched junk food and started trying healthy recipes at home. Every weekend, he made a new healthy dish and shared it with his friends. This small habit became a game changer for him. The 21-day challenge. Pete Cohen's most famous lesson is, give yourself 21 days to build a new habit or break an old one. Rohan took up a challenge, wake up at 6 a.m. every day for 21 days and stop wasting time on his phone. The first 5 days were tough, but he put up a chart in his room and ticked off each day. After 21 days, waking up early became second nature. After 21 days, Rohan was a new person. He woke up early, went to the gym, cooked healthy meals, and was productive at work. His energy was infectious. He cut down on phone time and made space for his passion, photography. One day, his company noticed his hard work and gave him a promotion. Today, Rohan says, habit busting taught me that habits are the foundation of our lives. If the foundation is strong, your dreams can soar. Pete Cohen says, you are not a slave to your habits. You can change them and give your life a new direction. Friends, Rohan's story is our story. We all have habits that hold us back. But Habit Busting by Pete Cohen shows us a path, small steps, consistent effort, and 21 days of passion. Pick one habit today, whether it's waking up late, eating junk food, or phone addiction, and take up the challenge to change it with Pete's 10-step plan. Tell us in the comments which habit you want to change and why. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to tap the bell icon. Share it with your friends, because your share might change someone's life. Grab a pen and paper right now and write down, which habit do I want to change? Take the first step today, and after 21 days, share your success story with us in the comments. Let's do this, friends. A new beginning starts today. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy, and chase your dreams. Thanks.